Hi friends, it's your dive buddy Mo coming at you with another video. I'm insanely excited because I'm off to Mexico again for some fantastic diving in Cozumel. You know, just about 3 months ago, I was on the west coast of Mexico, cage diving with great white sharks aboard the Nautilus in Isla Guadalupe. And this was a bucket list dive for me, of course. I had an amazing experience with these apex predators up close and personal. I made some lifelong diving friends while there too, and you know, that's one of the beautiful things about being a diver is that's such a great way to make new friends. So, I've put together a fun little video of the experience for you all. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and without further ado, let's dive in.